Exciting content on the channel today, boys. You guys get to watch me cut my grass.
What you know about rolling down in the...
What's up, John? What do you mean they don't like the grass cutting montage? You're telling me I gotta run a regular mobile ad campaign now to pay for this video? Mech Arena is a tactical team-based 5v5 shooter that has everything you can want in a pick-up-and-play mobile game. With competitive game modes and loads of customization, you and your friends are going to love this game. When it comes to customization, Mech Arena delivers with a massive range of weapons to choose from. Whether you prefer to rush or sit back and play the long game, Mech Arena has your playstyle covered. Along with hundreds of skins and virtually unlimited weapons combinations, I promise the game will never fail to keep you entertained. You can build mechs to fit your playstyle perfectly. My personal playstyle is to rush the enemy and get a few quick kills, especially in objective game modes, where I can knock out a few enemies early so my teammates have time to capture positions. Speaking of game modes, there is no shortage when it comes to Mech Arena. Everything from 5v5 and 2v2 death matches to tournaments and much more. They even have custom matches to let you play with who you want, when you want, on any map you want. Unlimited possibilities. The community is also super active, and the developers are too, with regular special events, tournaments, and in-game competitions. The best part is they release new mechs, new weapons, and new game modes every month. Mech Arena is gearing up for its official worldwide release in August, but if you're in the US, Canada, or the UK, or any other lucky country, you can get started right now, and it's completely free to play on Android and iOS. Use my link in the description or scan the QR code and get 1 gold crate, 15,000 credits, and 200 A coins, and a head start before anyone else. You have 2 months, so make it count. This is going to be massive. Don't miss out. Headed to Roush Creek this morning, boys. Let's get it. The ZR2, its first test on a true blue and black trail with Mike's 392 Jeep Wrangler. We got the V8 Jeep in front of us. I am aired way down. We got him in the teens, so I mean, we could go further, obviously, but we'll see how the truck does when it's actually like everything is to the limit here, where I have it in we're gonna put in 4 low, obviously, the off-road mode, the ZR2 mode, and then air down. So this is essentially the best this truck can get, where I would always be like, well, I could still air down. You always have that one factor where you could be saved with the truck, and now we don't have that because we're using it. So if we get stuck now, it's like there's no more options. This is it. Where is the Jurassic Park theme whenever we need it? I love, one of my favorite things with off-roading, especially whenever I see air down tires, is like actually whenever you see like the tires squish a little bit and it like wraps itself around the rocks or the obstacle. Looks so cool. It's like a tank tread. Oh boy, I think he's been back here with the Blazer before, so this might be a little intense. My first outside view here of the V8 Jeep on a blue trail. This is sort of a weird turn because all your obstacles favor driver's left, and then you have trees you're gonna smash into on the passenger side. One more rock here and you should be good on this. Oh, that is some flex. Very nice. Very nice, dude. Looks like this is where she belongs.
Oh yeah. How am I looking to here?
On this side? Yeah. Yeah, you can come a little bit this way. Okay. Yep. Straighten out. Close one there. Yeah, you're good. Stay on that line. Turn, yeah, there you go. You're good, it's skid plate. All right, you're about to go off. You're all right.
All right.
You're all right, dude.
It sounded a little rough.
You're all right. It's all skid plate and frame, and your muffler a little bit. That sounded horrible.
You know what? Like, the Jeep is impressive, but the ZR2 is super impressive. A little bit driver. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Look at that. Right over that huge rock. Look at that bounce. Yep, you're a little more little driver, Bobby. Little driver. Yep, driver. There you go. Good.
Where's that rock at?
You can go a little passenger. Yep, keep going. You're looking good. All right, back up just a yeah, there you go. All right, keep going. You're coming up on the rock. Go a little bit, turn a little bit passenger. All right, yep, keep going. Stepping down now. Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Oh my
Beautiful.
gosh.
Yep. And coming down on the rear right now.
Oh, not even a tap.
Yep.
All right.
You looking good.
Much
He's got that little extra height that really helps. The Taco got the beach. Bobby is about to save it. There she goes. Brakes, slow, perfect. Yeah, you know you're off-roading one. Coming up to our second obstacle here, a little bumpy throughout, but nothing crazy. At least on the blue trails, they give you a bit of a reprieve here, so it's not just constant battering of the vehicles. We get a little bit of a breather, can recalibrate here. You can turn off equipment that you don't need. Like I don't have the diffs lock right now just to make these tight turns. And I think it transitions into a green trail. So I think that's what we're on right now, and then it turns back into a blue. So pretty convenient. Just give you a break and then right back at it. All right, yeah, this is what I call off-road here. This is rock crawling. We're not on the dirt anymore. It's all rocks. You guys can't see anything, I can assure you though. Oh my God. It's a little bouncy. We got the Jeep Wrangler behind us. We got a Tacoma back there. Little Taco, he's doing good. And obviously the V8 Jeep in front of us. We're in the middle of the pack here. Probably the safest spot you can be because I have a recovery vehicle in front of me if I need it, and recovery vehicles behind me. All right, buddy. You're looking good so far. You haven't tipped over yet. Doing great. It's gonna get sketchy, but I promise you will not roll. Yeah, I would, oh. Woo! All right, yeah, I would straighten it out a little bit there. A little bit straight. Dude, your wheel is, hold on, stay right there for a second. Bobby, just to let you know, your wheel is roughly, I'd say 3 feet off the ground.
It feels all right. It doesn't feel bad.
Yeah, it doesn't feel that bad.
Oh my God.
His wheel is so high off the ground. Yep. Okay, now start to turn a little bit. That's perfect, because your back wheel has grip, so you won't hit. Look at that. You're good. Inches to clear. You made it though. Yes. Yep. Little flex there. Yep. All right, now go driver, Bobby, driver. There you go. Okay, now it goes, yeah, sorry, a little more passenger. Just go slow, Yep. All right, a little more passenger because you're coming up on some roots. Perfect, yep, straight. Great, buddy. Great, you're good.
That is a rush.
Dude.
Oh my God, that is a rush.
All right, good, you're good. Beautiful. Well done, okay, drag the diff, that's good. Good to go. Oh yeah, right over there. Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, there it is, that's sick. That looks great. All right, buddy. I assume this part will not be dramatic. Very easy. Very easy. Looking good. ZR2 traverses everything easily. Normally, I say that things don't look good on camera, but this one actually does look pretty steep. You're coming up on the rock now.
Fair right?
No, I mean straight. Yeah, you're good.
This isn't so bad yet.
No. Oh, the whole rock slid out.
Oh Lord.
You were on the rock moved. Wow, that was crazy looking. All right, now straighten it out. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah.
Just getting off.
Perfect. Oh my God, that rock is, I've looked at this before and that's been there a long time. Bobby's truck moved the rock.
Oh, it's deep.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
A little dirty.
Water's always the funnest because there's like low chance for damage if you're in shallow water, and it looks really cool. Chocolate milk off-road.
You're looking like some good chocolate milk. Oh yeah, stepping right over. The ZR2 is just super impressive. It really is. If you're wondering about one of these trucks, and you're not sure if it can off-road, they really can. Now he has a lift kit, but everything else is factory. It's basically just spacers. So factory suspension. He's on 33s. He's not even on a big tire. Very, very lightly modified vehicle. And it just tackles it with ease. Just remember, Bobby, no matter what you do, some asshole in the comments is gonna be like, my WRX could have done that.
I know. The comment section is brutal.
Just some complete moron.
Brutal. I got a lot of nice people. There's a lot of nice people down there right now talking.
There's tons of nice people. But you gotta love the people. Like, I could do that in my stock Ranger. No, you definitely couldn't. What, buddy?
You would have ruined their day.
Whose? Yeah.
It's giveaway time. Giveaway plug. We're at In-Chain Designs, where you're not only entered to win the 750 horsepower SALEEN Mustang, but also the Jeep Gladiator 6x6. Where you order anything that's behind me, that's on the website, in the description down below. Like I mentioned, anything on In-Chain Designs. We got cool Jeep shirts, whole section of Jeep shirts here on ISD. All of In-Chain Designs collection here. A bunch of Mopar stuff, Chevy, Ford, whatever you want, In-Chain Designs has it. One of our best sellers coming back in the Bro Tank, Secure by Air 15. Love this shirt. Also, sticking with the Second Amendment theme, we have the AR Come and Take It shirt. One of my favorites.
Turn a little bit, driver. Yep, okay, stay right there. Oh man, yeah, you gotta back up. I don't know if you can, your door handle is literally about to hit that tree. You see it there?
Yep.
Now your mirror's here.
I slid.
Yeah. Just, yeah, maybe try to get, yeah. Turn,
What if I just back away out and I cut the wheel?
yeah, I was gonna say, definitely cut the wheel and keep going back. You should be good then. Here. Yep, you're good. You're good on both sides. You got you got a foot on both sides almost. It looks wide with the wide body, but when it's in a trail like this, you really realize how tight and narrow the ZR2 really is, which is tremendously helpful. If this was a full-size truck, you would never, ever make it anywhere close to this.
Last obstacle on this black trail. It's been brutal.
I got stuck.
We got the Jeep here stuck, just hung up on a massive boulder. So I'm gonna try and set you guys up here to see if we can free him. All right, I think we're not literally, we're still in the woods technically because we're in the woods, but I think we're over the worst part of it. That black trail, nothing to joke about at all. God, we're like on a freaking insane incline just right here. I think this is considered a blue now. We're no longer on black. Blacks, they're fun, it's just they're so tight, so you take a lot of body damage. That's the problem. Nothing as far as I can tell in the truck. The drive shaft is got some candy cane stripes on it. I'm out of breath just because we were trying to move a couple rocks that weighed about 150 pounds, just so it was like, would help our cause a little bit, just because 33s on just a lifted ZR2, nothing else done to it, makes it a little bit challenging whenever you try to get through. I mean, it's gonna make it no matter what. It's the damage that's the problem, which we did. So we saved the Jeep. Big shout out to my sister for hooking us up with that video, so thank you to her. This is a pretty intense video to make. We got the lockers here on, and I think we made it out. We made it, buddy. Let's go. Unlocking the diffs. We're gonna do the same right here. Just hit this button. They both go out because it's the front locker. Actually, I hit rear locker, so I think it disengages both, obviously, because you don't want the front on. We're aired down, and we're almost out of here. Had a blast today. It's fun to problem solve. A lot of that wasn't on camera, but Mike and I just like being like, all right, let's take a step back. What do we do here? Let's try this. Didn't work. What if we try this? And then it works. So we also helped you guys behind us at Tacoma and a Jeep all day today, getting them stuck just because they didn't have lockers, which seems to be the game changer for off-roading. Wow, this is deep right here. This is a little deep. Wrapping this video up and wrapping the day up. The steering wheel is at not a good angle. Traction control keeps popping on, says I'm slipping all over the road. And if I let go of the steering wheel, we essentially go off the highway. So something's bent. out of aligned, something like that. Probably a rock that we ran into, which is good. I look horrible. It's like after race day, I'm just sweating like a freaking pig. So we're gonna try and get this thing in the shop because it's got an appointment later this week that it cannot miss. And I'm gonna keep you updated on that with you guys throughout the week. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love all the support you guys have been giving me over the past just months, ever since I quit my job especially. There's just been outreaching of support. Say rock in the comments if you made it this far in the video. Pretty intense. It was definitely a rough day on the ZR2. We're gonna try and get her fixed up with only 3,500 miles on it. Killing it, baby. See you guys next video.